Hey there, car enthusiasts, ever heard of a knock sensor? This tiny, often overlooked component plays a big role in keeping your engine running smoothly. Today, we'll explore what a knock sensor is, how it works, and what to do if yours goes bad. Let's dive in. Knock sensor is essentially a small device in or on the engine that detects irregular vibrations and sounds that come from the engine block. It is typically attached directly to the outside of the engine block, but in some cases, it is located underneath the intake manifold. A faulty knock sensor can result in poor fuel economy, may also cause engine vibration, especially at highway speed, and you may experience poor acceleration while driving. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the knock sensor related error codes. First, carefully remove the knock sensor from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed with a resistance test on the knock sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your check owner's manual to see the specific knock sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you don't get a reading, this indicates that the knock sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Pro tips: always use a high-quality replacement sensor. If you're unsure, consult a professional mechanic. And that's how a knock sensor works and how you can fix it if needed. Keeping your engine running smoothly is easier when you understand the small but mighty components like this one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care tips. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more automotive insights.